Here we've got a very worn, pre-finished, engineered floor. There was a lot of scuff marks and some of the old stain had actually been exposed. In this situation, there was a piano in this diner area, and where the seat or stool had been moved backwards and forwards over a long period of time, it started to expose the bare wood, which is actually really something because this aluminum oxide coating is very, very strong. In fact, the manufacturer, I believe, guarantees this stuff for 25 years. So that just gives you an idea of how long this floor's been down. Anyway, I'm using a Loba fast drying stain and a red Solo cup, of course, to rub in this stain using a blue microfiber pad, just to get it deep into all of the grain, after just doing a slight light sand with a 120 grit, just to open up the grain a little bit. So as you can see, I'm blending it in quite well, and then I'm going to hit it with a yellow microfiber cloth just to take off any of the excess before leaving it to dry for a good hour, actually, to let it soak in and do its job. There was a few areas where I had to colour correct across the floor, and this is just an example of the process that I used before applying the polish. So here you can see the polish is down now, and it's been left before buffing with the white pad, which is what I'm doing now, using the Bonner Flexi Sand, which is a great tool for this job. As you can see, it's dust free, and the floor is coming up great when you think of what it looked like originally. And here's the end result. So very, very well finished floor, customer really happy. I love doing this work, and yeah, please like and follow my channel.